On 22nd September 2022, Meghalaya Home Minister Lahkmen Rymbui, while speaking to newspersons in the city, informed that the results of the Meghalaya Police Force recruitment examination is a matter of legal concern and will be announced after all necessary reviewing is completed.
The government, as I said time and again, want to fill up all the vacant posts in the police department because police is very crucial for the security and safety of the state. That's why 2019 the government have floated advertisement for different category of posts. After that, then in the process, the COVID-19 pandemic happened and the physical test or necessary test could not be done. But after that, I'm very happy that last year the physical test could be completed, and even the written test for some of the trade, not all, have been completed, and result is ready to be declared. But as I explained on the floor of the House also, that in the midst of that, we are caught into the legal complication, which we have to see what we are doing, that we have to see according to within the parameter of the law. So the police headquarters has reviewed, relooked about the roster system, and since it is a massive exercise for 50 years, it's not very easy, but I'm very happy that now they are on the verge of completion, which they will submit to the government, and government, if everything is right, we will approve, and so that the result could be declared immediately.